Here I am at the park. I'm the first mountain biker heading out. There's a couple of them over there that just got here, but I'm the first one heading out. All these cars are hikers, a lot of hikers. Boy, they start early. But I'm the early bird mountain biker. I'm just gonna take it easy. Beautiful sunrise this morning out to the east. And I'm gonna head up that way to the mountains. Rabbit. This is a nature ride, man. I've seen like 3 or 4 rabbits already. I don't know if you can see him behind that bush. There he goes, moving. That's beautiful. Self-defense. Laying dead. Hey, it is a nature ride. Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
Sorry. It's okay. Renee behind you?
Renee.
Okay, he's always behind you. Good to see you. You were screaming. You didn't know I was coming. Huh? Huh?
Just ready to start or?
No, I've got about 10. About 6, 7 more to go. You know me, slow and steady. Have fun, be safe. All right. What's up, Renee? Almost ran right into Lorena, man. She was coming over this. I was hauling ass up it. And we slammed our brakes on. So good to see you, man. Y'all just starting? Oh, you like my shirt?
Couple of minutes already.
Whew, I've got about 10 so far. So I'm gonna go up Antler Run.
Okay.
Maybe, I don't know. I might do Mad Cow, Blue Moon, and then down. I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see.
Yes, good to see you, man. Thank you.
You're see.
Thank you. You like it?
Yeah.
It's my new one. Those are pretty.